In this section, we're gonna talk about the president election. Now we discuss who can participate and who cannot participate in president election. First, we discuss who can participate in president election. Elected members can participate in president election. Now we see who are the elected members. Those are participate in the presidential election. First, the elected members of both the houses of parliament. That means Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Then elected members of legislative assemblies of all the states. Next, elected members of legislative assemblies of UTs of Delhi and Puducherry. These are the candidates. Those are participate in the presidential election. Now we move to who cannot participate in the presidential election. Nominated members can participate in presidential election. Nominated members are those both the houses of parliament. That means nominated members of both the houses of parliament, that means Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Nominated members of legislative assemblies of all the states. Nominated members of legislative assemblies of UTs of Delhi and Puducherry. Now the most important, both elected and nominated members. Both elected member and nominated members of bicameral legislature. Now I'm going to talk about bicameral. What is bicameral legislature? Bicameral legislature means the state which have two houses. That means Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Is called bicameral legislature. The members of Vidhan Sabha is known as members of Legislative Assembly and members of Vidhan Parishad is known as member of Legislative Council. Why member of Legislative Council don't participate in the presidential election? Because there are 6 states out of 28 states have MLC. So 28 states have member of legislative assembly. That's why MLA are participate in the presidential election. Whenever MLC is not participate in the presidential election. Now we talk about what are the 6 states that have member of legislative council. The 6 states which have members of legislative councils are: first is UP, second is Bihar, third is Maharashtra, fourth is Karnataka, fifth is Andhra, sixth is Telangana. These are 6 states which have members of legislative council who don't participate in the presidential election.